Okay, for 17, they want us to solve these equations, so let's do A first, right? So we have 3x plus a negative is minus 4 equals 2y plus 9. And they want to solve for y, right? So I could subtract 9 from both sides. And we get 3x minus 13 equals 2y. And divide both sides by 2. And we would get 3 halves x minus 13 halves equals y, and then of course we would rewrite it as y equals 3 halves x minus 13 halves. And we've solved for y. For b, let's see if we can fit this. We have 12 equals 6/7 x, and we want to solve for x. So let's just rewrite it as 6/7 x equals 12, right? And now we multiply by the reciprocal, 7 over 6. 7 over 6. And the left side cancels, the right side becomes 14. So x equals 14. For c, let me make some space. C, we have 38 over 6 equals x over 18, right? And this you could cross multiply, but you could also just see that they multiplied by 3 in the denominator. So that means we need to multiply by 3 in the numerator, right? So 38 times 3, right? If you cannot do that, you just multiply it, right? 24, 114. So x comes out to be 114 for C. Okay, and the last one, let me make space for this. D, we have 9 over x equals 85 over 10 y, right? So first I think it's easier to reduce 85 over 10, right? Because I can quickly see that 5 goes into both, right? 5. That is not writing for some reason. There we go. Divided by 5. So we get 9 over x equals 85 divided by 5 is 17, right? 17 over 2y. And now we can cross multiply, right? So we get 9 times 2y equals 17 times x, right? So 18y equals 17x. And we want to solve for y, right? So we divide by 18, and we get y equals 17 18ths x. And we have solved that one. And I would leave it exactly like that. I would not put it in decimal form.